All right, so let's take a look at how this cookie reset works for our Elevar Facebook conversion API integration using Google Tag Manager and our server-side container. This is showing one specific use case of the server-side container that essentially can control your cookie expiration. This is going to be for the FBC, the Facebook click ID cookie, but this can apply to other cookies as well. I have two examples here pulled up. I have Bonobos, who is not currently set up as a customer with Elevar, and then I have OG. So these are two ads that we have pulled up in the Facebook ad library for each one of the brands. Essentially, the way that the rules are today, as of April 22nd, for cookie expirations controlled by Safari, or really in the world of Apple, if the user goes to your site from what is defined as a known tracker, aka an advertising network, or anyone else that might be on a block list for trackers. So if someone's clicking on a Facebook ad or a Google search ad, etc., that that um, that interaction will cause a 24-hour cookie expiration. So if somebody clicks on one of your Facebook ads, goes to your site, that essentially all of the cookies are going to have an expiration of 24 hours. If somebody were to just go to your site directly or potentially click on an organic search, then that cookie expiration will have a 7-day. So it'll be a 7-day cookie expiration. So this is showing you the difference of how actually having everything set up in a server-side tagging instance can actually help give you more power to control that cookie expiration. So let's go back to our Bonobos ad here, and we'll click Shop Now. And this is going to open up a product page for us. So we'll show our JavaScript console here. And we're just going to look at one thing. So in Bonobos, let's just go through the process of pulling up our cookies on bonobos.com. And we'll select an item here. Try to find one that's not sold out. And okay, well, I won't waste your time trying to find something we can add to cart. But as you can see here, so our Facebook, the FBC cookie expires in 24 hours, so expires 4/24. So I guess today is the 23rd, not 22nd. And that's expected. Again, I clicked on an ad from Facebook, or simulating clicking on an ad from Facebook, which is a known tracker. So Safari, in this case, on my laptop, is automatically expiring that FBC cookie in 24 hours. Now let's take a look at OG, and we'll click on this particular ad here. And we'll go to our JavaScript console and go to our cookies. All right, so now we'll go through the same thing. We'll go and add to cart, and we'll look at our cookies here. And you can see the FBC cookie now expires 3 months from now, so 90 days from now. So this is, again, one cookie, one example. In theory, you could add a cookie extender to your server-side container, excuse me, that would automatically reset the expiration date for all of these. But in the world of Facebook, since that's the big push right now with iOS 14.5 rollout, this shows how you can make one small step to have a little bit more control over your audience and ultimately your data collection. I hope this helps. It might open up plenty more questions. So if you do have any questions, just let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.